Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can return the YouTube dislike button. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of my own videos right here and show you obviously that we all know that the dislike button is no longer shown. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to the Chrome web store. Once we do that, we can then search for YouTube dislike. So if we search for YouTube dislike, what we can see is we will be brought to this page right here, and we need to select return YouTube dislike, click on add to Chrome, and then once we do this we can click on add extension, and then once we click on that, what we can do then is we can head back over to our YouTube channel. So once we head back over to the YouTube video, all we simply need to do now is refresh this page right here, and then you should be instantly be able to see the dislikes. So as you can see there, the dislikes are now showing. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.